Hello, Christian here with VQ Speed Factory. This is something I've wanted to do for a really long time. This is pretty much my workspace. I'm unloading a couple of workspace items from the car right now, and I'll show you some progress as I go, but I just wanted to say that this is something me and my friends have wanted to do for a long time. My friends have always wanted to have a small workshop where we can work on our cars for about a year now. So this is me just stepping up and doing something about that, and this is also me having a place to do more transmission stuff, more engine stuff, because I need to do an engine swap on my car and I need a place to do it. This is where we're going to be building some of the fastest VQs in the state, and we're also going to be building some cool drift cars and whatnot, so get ready for all that. This is the beginning of something good. I'm going to unload some stuff. I'm going to show you guys my progress as I go. Alright, I got the desk set up, got the G37 back seat couch set up, and I just have a temporary little fan going right now. I'm probably going to get a nice fan for in here, some air chiller or something, so we can close that completely and just have a nice cool experience in here where it's about 70 something degrees instead of 80, because we're out here in South Florida and it's hot. So looks like someone already did some work. I said that earlier, but I'm pretty hyped. I'm gonna go get the compressor now, get a whole bunch of other tools, and get things rolling. Right now, I'm actually about to stop at the Golden Arches and get a little breakfast, because I'm about to go get an engine for free. So this is the beginning of the end. I don't think you guys understand how much I would love to have one of these in my house. Like, just a big boy truck, you know? That would be sick. It's fixing the color actually, it's pretty good. Damn. But yeah, my camera's tweaking right now. But that would be such a sick thing to have, like a big truck like this. That's just one day. Like, me personally, I'll have that, but I have friends who are gonna maybe get trucks, maybe get other cars, who knows, we'll see. But I just got a workshop. That's what we're doing here. We're going to put this motor into my storage unit, clean it up, check it. It's blown. That's why I'm actually going to get a free motor this morning. It's blown. I'm going to take it and inspect it, take it apart completely, look at everything that's wrong with it. It came out of a 2015 Q50, so I hope there isn't too much wrong with it, but we'll see. Hopefully nothing too insane, like valves clacking into some pistons. That'd not be good. Yeah, that'd be the worst case scenario. So hopefully I go pick it up, get a engine puller, engine mount type doohickey, store it, clean it up, bring it in this car, which I really think it'll fit. This will probably fit in LS, honestly. The back of this thing can fit in LS. So today, I'm not gonna put any music on. I don't want to get copywritten. I already know how this ish works. Oh, I don't know why I said ooh like that, but I got a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit and a hash brown from Mickey D's. So I'm kind of weird, so I'm gonna eat the hash brown first. It's a lot of carbs. I like carbs first, kind of. That's how I usually eat. Like, because carbs are filling, and they kind of just soak up all that, stomach acid. Because lately I haven't been eating, too often. I eat like 2 meals a day. I'll usually skip like breakfast or lunch or something, find my way around, and then knock something big out in the end. So that's how I eat. Kind of eating like a pig right now. I'm sorry. I'm really excited for today because ever since I was about 16, I wanted to build a really high horsepower, like track, street, like everything car, like auto, autocross wasn't big back then, but I knew I wanted a purpose-built car, and when I was 16, I was dead set on an Infiniti G37. Back again, just got it. I couldn't take it off the guy for free because he gave me a ratchet strap. And I'm not the type of person to really take anything from someone for free. Like, if you're giving me something and we're not having some type of like trade or something like that, or like, you know, we're not just hanging out vibing, like you're not like my friend or something, I owe you. Like, I'm the type of person that I'll pay you because I owe you, and that's just my moral, like, you know, compass is to pay people back when they do something for me. So this guy gave me a motor for free. He was willing to give it to me for free and give me the ratchet strap and everything, put it in my car, help me get it out of his lot, and he was willing to do it for free. Like, that's the best part about this community. Like, the car community is so nice when you find the right people and you're just patient and you don't like rush things and you don't try and force someone to be your friend, you know. It'll happen organically. So that's my little spiel about that. And I can't believe I gave him 20 bucks for a fucking block and a motor and everything, and now I can go and build my dream VQ build. I'm just dumbfounded. Like, today is just the icing on the cake. I got the workshop, I got the space, and now now I have the motor to build. Like, what else can happen, dude? How can it get any better than this? That's what I gotta keep asking myself. How can it get any better than this? And it'll just keep getting better. And that's what you guys need to keep asking yourselves. I'm not one of those motivational people, but lately I've just been feeling myself, and I've been feeling in a good vibe. Like, the good vibe I've been bringing has been bringing me good things. So I'm gonna keep it up. I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna keep doing what I've been doing, because clearly I'm doing something right. A lot of good things keep happening to me. So
at the light,
I'll catch back up with you when I'm back at the workshop and I'm unloading it. So we'll see what's good then. All right, we got it out. Onto a hydraulic table. My boys figured out how the hydraulic table works. I couldn't figure it out. But we got it on here. Starting to play with it, take some stuff apart. Trying to take off the coolant lines for the throttle body. Maybe take the manifold off. I don't know what I'm going to do today, but I got to go do some in a little bit. We're getting some stuff done anyways. Yes. Alright, so this is the motor I just got today for free. It's a little rusty, a little beat up here and there, but it doesn't seem like there's anything too catastrophic from just like looking at it in the initial look. It doesn't seem like anything too crazy occurred. Honestly, it might actually be clean. I got it for 20 bucks, so that's a steal. These are Q50 throttle bodies on here. I'm going to be selling them. I'm going to also port this and polish it. I have a manifold over here that I started the porting process on, but I didn't finish it. I just need to hone it, figure it out, get it all nice and, you know, seamless pretty much. Really, really smooth. And I painted it. I'm going to add more coats, but I painted it already. This guy helped me a lot today. This dude. This young gentleman here. We got over here. I'm really hyped though. This is something I wanted to do forever, so it's actually happening a lot quicker than I expected, which is cool. So I'm making moves out here. Just wait on it. Just wait and see. You know, snaps. Get up.